day for seal. Whafamoemoe fanau o le fini. Ia aiga na I le base and malo Fort Seal, Oklahoma. So male la ia le aso nei rapto mo ainga ma la tu fanau o lo itono training sen malo ma ai le vai ngol la tu tau fai le fa tal te mia nga I mai ai mo le fa pinei na misi fanau promoting ise tulanga le foi lai alia me la finia Ina foi tasi tulanga ya se tia nei aso. Ainga nai matua loa mai mai pertelo matua. Ma foi le famo fanau.
I did.
Le ngate nei vai.
You would love it.
Te foi.
And everything.
Niso uni tu fai pala tu famo nei aso. Nawa mai maili. Unit Jolly C1-40’s. Salofa now you're there.
They're moving. I'm just gonna get the whole.
My phone unless you buy on that. That's what I have. They on family day. Inicio. Been an issue from on your in laptop 5. Foi lá mobile from on your fin.
Thank you. You'll see them shortly once they get over and they actually do the Bring Your Family Day. Aingan nai matua. Eu fui fanau. Foi o ainga. Vaa mai o wale whamoi moi ni te au. The ceremony a tino li tūlina. Ia lofa tuena foi o na. Awai atu nisi o mātua ma nisi o ainga si tasi o vaenga. I lena al pau lea. Ko nisi o whamonina ni aso latong whaiwha mai a nai. Le si fo I lai tūlina. Pe nā fo ngawha fo I lai tūlina. Kuwhanga. Ia whamoe ma ni aso ia. Mule unit o le C1-40. Mai ina le lato. Moe mana tau whai le si le vaenga mata lea. Ia te le loko whele au mai ei. Misale o I oto o mai fo. Vaenga le o le sain out ai. Tau on sain out nei. Ia no. Spend little time mai ngā muli. Tula eva tau toi fo I mai tono le. O le campus I le. Tula valu le fiafi.
Orders from yesterday. Guess I'll do that.
Yeah, we still need to get
Call up the soldiers that are going to be promoted. I'm going to call out their names. Once you hear their name, you're going to move past the white line and you're going to come talk to Captain Eisenhower. He's waving his hands in the air. Atuaya, Bridges, Christ.
All right, listen up. All right. I'll speak as loud as I can. If I need to, I'll repeat myself, okay? All right. So, what's going to happen in about 8 minutes is we'll start the ceremony. After the completion of the ceremony, your soldier will then, you will be able to go find your soldier. You can grab your soldier after you sign them out, take them back to my CQ drill pad. They will grab their personal bag, and then they are good to go for the day, understood? All right. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to read you the exact script that all of your soldiers were briefed on last night. It is critical that you follow these instructions and that they follow these instructions to ensure that your soldier graduates tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, normally I am the commander of Charlie Battery. Today, I am just the last guy standing between 212 soldiers and their loved ones. So I'll be brief. Thank you all for coming to support your soldiers today. I know that they have been looking forward to this day for weeks and can't wait to see you. That being said, they are still in basic training and there are rules that must be observed. Number 1, soldiers must be in formation by 1945, that is 7:45 p.m. I say again, soldiers must be in formation by 1945, that is 7:45 p.m. Please show up early as the gates will be busy. We recommend arriving at the gates by 1900, that is 7 p.m., to ensure punctuality. The gate you came in might be closed. Use key gate on the west side of Highway 44 and follow the blue line. Please stay in the area and do not stray too far. What that means is you are more than welcome to take your soldier off base. However, they still need to be back by 1945 or they will not graduate. Uniform. Trainees must stay in the uniform that they leave in. Band activities. They are not allowed to use tobacco. They may not drink alcohol. They can go to a place that serves alcohol, but not a bar. They are not allowed to get any tattoos or piercings. They cannot gamble. They cannot drive. And they cannot bring any contraband back into the barracks. Trust me, your soldiers know what is considered contraband. Some of the promoted activities. We have the Artillery Park located on the opposite side of the train tracks. We have the Museum of the Great Plains. And we have the Mount Scott and the Wichita Mountain Wildlife Refuge. Your soldiers are aware of these rules. We just want to make sure that your families do everything you can to keep your soldier out of trouble. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ceremony is about to begin. Before we bring in the battery, at this time, we will now recognize several soldiers for their outstanding performance during the basic combat training cycle.
Oh my gosh, Etta. I can't even see. Etta. Why is her UFO so big?
The Distinguished Honor Graduate is acknowledged for overall excellence in the training and character development during the training cycle. The Distinguished Honor Graduate is Private First Class Riano and is hereby awarded the Army Achievement Medal for meritorious achievement while being selected as the Distinguished Honor Graduate for Class 67-25.
Ooh, nice.
Private Coho is receiving the Basic Rifle Marksmanship Award presented to the soldier who scored the highest during rifle marksmanship qualification with the M4 Alpha 1 rifle. He finished with 38 out of 40 targets hit to qualify as an expert marksman. The Private George Watson Award is awarded to the individual who best displays the Army value of selfless service. The Private George Watson Award is awarded to Private First Class Foster. The Physical Fitness Award is presented to the soldier who achieved the highest score on the final Army fitness test. The following soldier achieved a 499 out of 500 points on the AFT. The Physical Fitness Award is awarded to Specialist Omen. Please give these soldiers a round of applause. At this time, we will promote the following soldiers from Private Second Class to Private First Class. Attention to orders. This is to certify that the Secretary of the Army has reposed special trust and confidence in patriotism, valor, fidelity, and professional excellence. Private Second Class, Atuaya, Bridges, Christ, Garcia Isabella, Hernandez Brian, Huck, Johnson, Jop, Kaya, Martin, Music, Robinson, Rodriguez, Ayala, Sanchez, Siegel, and Voss.
That's so funny.
In view of these qualities and their demonstrated leadership abilities and dedicated service to the United States Army, they are therefore promoted from Private Second Class to Private First Class, effective October 23rd, 2025, with a date of rank of October 23rd, 2025, by the authority of the Department of the Army. Please give these soldiers a round of applause. 40s, fallen with the battery. Second platoon. On behalf of the battalion commander, Lieutenant Colonel Redford, and Command Sergeant Major Epps, welcome to the Charlie Battery, 1st Battalion, 40th Field Artillery, Class 6725 Family Day Ceremony.
Yay, thank you.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, please give me a round of applause for our nation's newest soldiers, the soldiers of Charlie Battery. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us for the playing of the national anthem. Tomorrow, your soldiers will join the ranks of proud Americans who have fought bravely and died for their country. The American soldier has shown him or herself strong and proud whenever and wherever the mission is called.
That's a lot of papers.
Ladies and gentlemen, normally I am the commander of Charlie Battery. Today, I am still just the last guy standing between 212 soldiers and their loved ones. So I'll be brief. Thank you all for coming to support your soldiers today. I know that they have been looking forward to this day for weeks and cannot wait to see you. That being said, they are still in basic training and there are rules that must be observed. Number 1, soldiers must be in formation by 1945. That is 7:45 p.m. I say again, soldiers must be in formation by 1945. That is 7:45 p.m. Please show up early as the gates will be busy. We recommend arriving at the gates by 1900, 7 p.m. to ensure punctuality. The gate you came in might be closed. Use key gate on the west side of Highway 44 and follow the blue line. Please stay in the area and do not stray too far. Uniform. Soldiers must stay in the uniform that they leave in. Band activities. Your soldiers are not allowed to use tobacco. They are not allowed to drink alcohol. They can go to a place that serves alcohol, but they may not go to a bar. They are not allowed to get any tattoos or piercings. They cannot gamble, they are not allowed to drive, and they cannot bring contraband back to the barracks. Trust me, your soldiers definitely know what contraband is. Promoted activities. There's the artillery park on the opposite side of the tracks. There's the Museum of the Great Plains, and there's the Mount Scott and the Wichita Wildlife Mountain Range. Your soldiers are aware of these rules. We just wanted to make sure that the families could do everything possible to help keep your soldier out of trouble.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our ceremony. I would like to thank you all for attending. Your soldier will be released on Family Day Past immediately afterwards. Once again, we thank you for attending today's ceremony. All for one.
All out! All day, Sergeant Center!
Etta, we were looking for you. Etta! What a baddie. I thought the girl in the front was Etta. I was like, did she lose height?
Mom did too. I was like,
Good. Did you see our shirts?
I know I can hear. Dad already got mine.
Okay, we gotta enjoy the day. Come on, guys.
Where's my picture?
Look at it.
Can I hug you? Can I hug you also? Huh?
Shannon!
I should have brought my uniform.
It's so nice to see you,
Mga graduation.
Yeah, jump in, boys.
Si bayang alian.
Jump in with them. All together.
We Malaysia bayang SMM mai.
Okay. It's a disco. He's saying
Dengan nai mati. Akhir dia. Apa yaso? Ngai whanau ma. Matu. Tapi nanga je bayang mua. Wina for you. Kuma yona water for ino. Ai ma awal ma no Amerika. Kali kini mo ai. Ya. Masih me ai na mo sukuanga. Telo taimi na ola kini ma talifale ko ine chalo ma yo me ai ko ni ko ile la sia ai fa te la ve no to ko inga i ma tua ko ai ni suo te ngai ngai ai ako ko reta ma te tia ko ai mai sa mo vi le vai ngol fa mo fa na te fai mai se fo yo mato ainga ne ngata i Amerika nei o Samoa sifo Samoa sae i sila ma Australia ia manisi fo i tu o le laulangi e tu alo na lava vivinga o na tau sila i whanau ia ua mai ele vaenga mo ngu o le wha moi le aso a tae au ia o leo le a whatau nui nai le graduation mo whanau umalava le vaenga lea i pe iona mai el neta mwhai ia ona sauni fo lea mo isi ko le linga ia po training whatino la fo i le wha mo i tono le base nei ia masalo mo le isi fo i masina po lua masina mai ko isi ko le linga whaftai tele ia le li tono na lofa mo na lei Pasi fuak mo nei taimi. Kira whanonga whamei saan musika e ako.
That's not what it's like.